Hello friends, I am your host Poonam and welcome to JENISHA Online Show. Friends, today I will review a magical product. It is Loreal's Paris Total Repair 5. So let's start today's video. As you are seeing on the screen, this is the front view of the product. Now I will show you the closest view. You can see this is its cap. It is in red color. Loreal Paris Total Repair 5. Repairing shampoo, 4% repair concentrate with keratin excess, damaged hair. So this is the front view of the product. Now I will show you the backward view. Just see. Loreal Paris repairing shampoo is powered by 4% repair concentrate with keratin excess. So small it is known to add penetration into hair and helps repair and reinforces fibers strength for silky and healthy looking hair. Number 1 solution for repair 5 symptoms of damaged hair. Number 1 straw like, number 2 brittle, number 3 dehydrated, number 4 stiff, number 5 split ends. Directions for use. From shampoo to treatments, the more you use them, the more symptoms you defeat. In case of contact with eyes, rinse immediately and thoroughly. After that, hair, just wait, not showing clearly. Instrumental test. After 10 applications of shampoo plus conditioner based on ingredients. After that, you can see address as given, Loreal India Private Limited, Chakan, Pune. Okay, you can see I am showing you clearly. So you can. Second is from Uttarakhand. Okay, Roorkee, Uttarakhand. Have you noted? So let's go downward now. Marketed and registered office, Loreal India Private Limited. Address as given, you can see A wing 8th floor, Marathon, you can see. After that, NM Joshi, Mark Tav, Lower Parel, Mumbai 400013. Any questions or complaints, call or write consumer advisor at registered office, telephone number 1800222300. Email advisor.india@loreal.com. Net volume 1 liter. Please recycle plastic bottle. Batch number has given. After that, manufacture date 10/2022 and used before 9/2025. Price has given 1099 per liter. Okay. After that, this is the very important part of any product. These are the ingredients: shampoo, surfactant based ingredients. So friends, it won't be possible to read all the ingredients, so I am giving you the clear view. You can read out, so that you can pause the video and can read out all the ingredients. But main ingredients I am reading, like arginine, acetic acid, you can see, see, chloride, cocoa betaine, coconut oil, sodium benzoate, sodium hydroxide, you can see. Okay, like arginine also is there. After that, you can see fragrance, serine, citric acid, glycerin. Okay, I hope you have read all the ingredients. I have shown you clearly. Okay. After that, here is the barcode given. You can see this is barcode, and this is the upper side of the product, and this is the downward side. Just wait, I will show you. Nothing has written downwards. Okay. This is upper side. Now friends, this is the most important part of the video and very nice part. I will open the product and I will show you how does the product look like from the inside, and its consistency also I will show you. So let's open it. I'm going to open. Just wait. It is fully packed shampoo. I'm opening. Going to open. You have listened the voice of cracked. Going to open, opened. Yes. See, it's nozzle. This is the product. Now you have to push it and the shampoo will come out. So now I will show you the consistency and the color also of the shampoo. Just wait. I'm taking it out. Just wait. I'm pushing. It will take little time because see. This is its color, shining white. Are you seeing? Yeah. This is the shampoo. And its smell is very nice. Now I will show you its consistency. See. Just wait. Yeah. It is now. Just wait. I will show you more clear. Let's see its consistency. It is sticky. See. It is sticky type, like egg. Okay. Just wait. See its color, stickiness. So friends, this was my today's video. In today's video, I reviewed L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo. If you like today's video and want to watch more such type of interesting and especially product related videos, subscribe to JENISHA Online Show. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in our next video.